first travel vlog here outside the Philippines in Indonesia. And right now I'm here with
Hello guys, Bruno Mars.
Marvin, Laura.
Narinig niyo yun?
Narinig niyo yun?
Bell na, tayo na.
Tayo na.
It's time.
So for today's travel vlog, we are going to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So umalis na.
You're so excited. I'm excited.
I'm so excited. It's been a while, mi, grabe. So ito po ang aking unang travel vlog outside my comfort zone. So ayan guys.
Walaan niyo kung nasan kami. Comment down below.
Nag-live. Hindi po ito live. So ayan, we're here in Dolphins. We're here sa Dolphin ferry boat, and ang aming travel, ano na yun? Nakawala ko. Ang aming
Travel itinerary.
Ang aming travel mode ay sea and land.
Yes. Gusto mo yun?
Ayan. So guys, ayan lang. Watch out sa mga mangyayari sa travel vlog na to sa Kuala Lumpur. And let's go. See you, Kuala Lumpur. Guys, alam nyo ba, itong sasakyan namin, itong Dolphin ferry boat na to ay may-ari ng nag-iisang Luigi. Sorry sa'yo, Luigi, kung alam mo, nakikats mo yung sabi namin.
Para sa'yo.
Para sa'yo ito, Luigi. Kaso walang discount. Makakaripot sila dito, guys.
Yeah. But first of all, I'm really looking for English sightseeing kasi medyo mahaba yung pinili namin path of travel.
Yes. So, pagbaba ng ferry, yung magbabas pa kami mula sa
Sa province ng
JB. Johor Bahru. Oo.
Then going to Malaysia.
For 2 to 3 hours.
Na 3 to 4.
3 to 4 hours.
Kaya naman, marami kaming baon.
Ayan. For the field trip po ang mga first trips.
Ilang days tayo? Say almost 7.
Almost 7 days. But it's our first time to explore Malaysia. Welcome to Malaysia. Diba? Good morning guys. Good morning. Tama na to? Okay na to? Hello guys. Update. We're still on the sea. Bisang mima natin.
Natry akong mag-rebook.
Dahil baka malate kami sa aming bus trip. Dahil yung ferry boat napakabagal. Ang bagal ng takbo niya, guys. But I would like to share to you guys itong current state namin. Nasa border kami ng 2 countries. Sino kayo dyan? Gusto na may experience yan. Everybody look to the left.
Yeah.
Kaming left. On our left. Welcome to, ano yan? Singapore. Everybody looks to the right. And on our right, and guys, that's Malaysia. So Singapore plus Malaysia is equals to Simala. Singer siya. Oh my god. Singer siya. So currently we're here sa Singer siya Street. Ayan, yung border line ng Singapore and Malaysia. Alright? O, 2 bansa na agad yun. Diba mo? Ganun mag-travel guys. Okay? So ayun. Hopefully maabutan namin yung bus. Pero parang hindi. Okay. So let's see, I will update you. Let's go. Welcome to Malaysia. Hello guys!
Parang vibe siya kasi nasa probinsya pa to actually ng ano,
Ng Malaysia.
Wala pa kami sa malayo pa kami sa KL, guys.
Ayan guys, touchdown Malaysia, everyone! You all were in Malaysia. So from here, magabas kami pa KL. So right now we are here in Johor Bahru. Yes! We need to catch our bus, pero feeling ko niwala na kami ng bus. So ang gagawin na lang namin ni Marvin ay magmamakaawa na ma-rebook yung bus na ni-reserve natin. So let's see guys, ano mangyayari sa amin. Next stop, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Hi! So ayan guys. Tapos pila kami ng immigration. Medyo mahaba yung pila. At nasa dulo ang mga meme. Dulong-dulo. Yun ang pag-picture eh. Ayun. Eh, dulong-dulo tayo. Ang haba ng pila. Ayan guys.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Hungry ng mima namin. Hello guys! Good morning! So we're here sa lobby ng mall and we just passed the immigration. Pass talaga! Makapasa.
May exam.
May exam sa immigration. So yung immigration experience natin.
Ano sa? It's very sad.
Very sad. Dahil sila maigpit. Sobrang luwag lang. Pero yun lang, ang haba ng pila. Sobrang haba ng pila. Kasi manual yung immigration process nila. Ano lang, tatak-tatak. Tapos yung tanong lang sa amin, how many days will you stay? Ganyan-ganyan.
Very smooth na. Smooth lang ang transaction.
Yes. And we're waiting for our Grab. Papunta dun sa bus terminal. From there, going to KL. And look guys! 7-Eleven. And guys, still waiting for our bus to board. Di pa siya boarding. And we are here sa PTEX Johor Bahru. It's giving us PTEX. Diba? Tapos Divisoria rin yung mga tinatindahan dyan. Diba guys? O diba mga tao? Parang PTEX lang. Parang Pilipinas pero hindi Pilipinas. Natin to.
Comment down below.
Sa mga nanonood po dyan, bakit bawal kumain sa loob ng bus? So yun guys, so see you later sa Kuala Lumpur and this is us going to sleep for 5 hours. 1, 2, 3. See you later. Hi guys. Hi Kuya. Hi Tito. Hello guys. Touchdown Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. KL. K na may L. KL. So currently,
lang train system nila.
true. Malilito ka ng konti pero organized. So currently we are here in platform 1, Ampang Station. We're going to Sentul Timur sa aming hotel accommodation. Towards
Train ke Sentul Timur akan tiba di platform 1.
ayan na yung
Train
train.
towards Sentul.
Hi guys, we made it.
Your passenger
10 more stations.
experience sexual harassment in the train.
Oh, Maitan Station.
At the station, kindly report to our auxiliary station
Fresh pa din tayo after 14 hours of travel.
by social
Walang 14 hours.
Wala pa. 11. More than 10 hours of travel.
11 hours pa.
11 hours of travel. Walang hila-hilamos yan. Ganun yung travel. Hindi kailangan fresh ka pa din. Siyempre may mga makikita ka, di ba? Yun, okay lang yan. Embrace yourself. Makakagawa.
Hindi ako ganito sa totoong buhay na nababanat lang kasi ako sa camera. Pero pa yun talaga.
May pwede na ilan. Sige na.
Kailangan may filter.
So yun guys, medyo paggabi na dito. Look at the weather. Medyo gloomy.
Gutom na ako.
Di ba kami nagla-lunch? So let's see. We are here in a train going to Sentul Timur. And from there, mag-walk kami ng 11 minutes going to our hotel accommodation. Only in
Station Bandar Terasa.
Ano ba?
Only in Regala. Upper View.
Upper View.
Upper View Regala.
Regalo hotel.
Regalia Hotel. So, for sure,
Abangan nyo ang hotel tour.
Yung yung pinaka-last na part ng vlog na to, yung hotel tour na.
Few moments later.
Hi everyone! So welcome here sa ating hotel only here at Upper View Regalia, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So for today, we're gonna have a room tour, our room. Let's go! Hello! Magandang buhay! Magandang buhay!
Welcome sa aming hotel. So supposedly, this hotel can accommodate 3 people. Pero nag-backout yung isa. Shout out sa'yo, Shane.
Go Shane! Ang ganda ng hotel, ang ganda ng room.
Super, 5/5.
Yes!
Okay, dito. Mag-start muna tayo dito sa malaking cabinet.
With a full body mirror, guys.
Yes.
Inside,
Inside, meron dito namin nilagay yung shoes
shoes
namin.
namin. At merong kabayo. Horse.
Dito magsabit ng mga damit dyan. And then another mirror.
Mirror. Full body mirror. Inside, makikita natin ang vault. Ano may pala dyan?
Pwede kang magtago dyan.
True. How many here?
So maraming storage.
Yes. And then,
And then, dito, meron silang pa-drinks and everything, the usuals.
yeah, the complimentary.
Yup.
Yes.
And dito,
Oh my God! Look at that!
pwede kang ng bisita.
Bisita.
Mag-invite ko.
Okay na ba tayo? So, meron tayong mini sala here with the chairs and table and everything. So spacious. With a view. Oh my God, the view. Pa.
Tapos yung pool nandun.
Ito na yung pool, guys. Ayan.
Nakikita nyo ba yung mga naliligo?
Ano ka ba? Yan ang hinahanap.
Ibig mo yun.
And then,
meron tayong dalawang
moving
bed.
forward.
Ito, kasi yung dalawa dito.
Ayan, a king size bed. Hindi magaling ang labas! Ayan, ang laki ng bed. May extra bed. This is actually for Chini.
Yes.
Pero,
Wala siya.
wala. So,
Pwede
dito,
kang mag-stay dito. Pwede kang mag-aral.
mag-aral, mag-music,
Pwede kang gumawa ng
mag-emote. Yes. And then, lahat ay carpet.
Yup, yup,
O, diba? And lastly, meron tayong TV dito, guys. May TV dyan. Anak ng TV.
Halika.
Ito na ang most exciting part.
Ito na. Welcome sa aming toilet. Aming toilet.
Aming toilet. Hey! Pak! Hey! Anak ng Yermi. Kalula. Baka naman to ha. So, okay naman siya. Ayan.
Ano yun?
Baka daw parang may spy or camera sa kabilang side.
And this is the most exciting part. Shower.
And the bata! Ingay gagawin.
Yan pala halang yan.
Ayan, yes.
Bathtub kami late.
Okay, dyan tayo magbababad, guys. Siyempre, di mo wala ang mga complimentary nila.
Wala, usual lang.
Soap and everything. And the sink. And of course, meron tayong bowl dito. And I think that's it.
Yeah.
Right?
Parang okay lang naman siya sa binayan.
Look at that, guys. Ang laki, ang lawa. Diba?
Parang may stay for 6 days.
Yeah, for 6 days, for 6 nights.
I think matutulog muna kami.
Yeah, gonna rest for a while. And that's it, guys. Ito ang ating first day dito sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. See you tomorrow. Ay, kakain muna tayo.
Kain kami
So,
mamaya.
we'll have some rest. And maliligo, mag-portion up, and nagkakain kami ng dinner sa labas. Okay? That's it, guys. See you tomorrow sa aming first day na totoo talaga yon. Yung first day nating journey. Alright, guys. Good night and see you tomorrow. Hi, guys. Ba't ang fresh? Wala pang mga ligo. So, we're going out. We're going out, guys. Kakain kami ng dinner namin for our first day. Ayan. So, we're here sa elevator, waiting sa ating elevator. And ang ganda, guys, ng lugar na to. Ang ganda nung napuntahan namin. Look at the city light over there. And pag tumingin ka through the window, makikita mo yung Petronas Twin Tower.
Yes!
Ano ang ating itinerary tomorrow? Ayun, we will update you bukas. Kung mapagod na ang hangima nyo. Tagal ng elevator, te! Ayun pala, nasa ano ka, pinaka-last level. Pinaka-top level. Howdy, Kat. No, actually, the place is called Sawadee. So here we're trying Thailand cuisine. Because
Why not?
Right?
We have curry.
Sawadee ka.
Curry.
So we have curry,
Nasi seafood.
nasi seafood, and nasi mix. I don't know. And I have Thai tea. And later, yung ating mango sticky rice. Yes. That's it, guys.
Let's do this.
Kain.